gates open, they're up and racing. Temptress draws for your lead. Then moving up, Serge Boy running by the rail, elusive wind in between runners. Moving up is Yale Skade, Major to take third. Then next in line, Daman Surya moving up, Work of Heart, Mr. Classmate second last, and Will Cascade is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Yale Skade leading the field. Moving up now to take second is Major, Temptress, shuffle back in third, racing now in fourth, Elusive Wind, Serge Boy, followed by Daman Surya, Work of Heart, Mr. Classmate, and a long way back to Will Koske as they rounded the last 450. Major now takes command. Yay, Alskade. Elusive Wind now getting closer in third, Serge Boy. And down the stretch they come. Major still leading the field. Yay, Alskade running by the rail, moving a party outside, Serge Boy. And down the stretch and leading the finish line. Major, Serge Boy now to take second. Elusive Wind with 50 meters. It's going to be Major, Serge Boy, Mr. Classmate. Then comes Elusive Wind and Daman Surya for your Pentafecta.